Hi, this is Mike Schmitz, and welcome to another weekly tip video. Today we're going to look at a long-abandoned iOS favorite that recently got a surprising update called Clear. Clear is a super simple lists app that we actually covered previously in episode 220, which was almost 10 years ago. And it sat untouched for several years and was thought by many, myself included, to be abandoned. But it recently got a major update to version 2 at the beginning of this year, sporting a new design and a new pricing model. Now, the app itself is now completely free, but there are several in-app purchases for new skins and themes if you want to customize it. The functionality of the app is heavily based on gestures, and it supports modern iOS features like interactive widgets. You can even take a screenshot of your list if you want to share it with someone. Let's start by downloading Clear from the App Store. The app you're looking for is called Clear Lists, and as you can see, I've downloaded it previously, so let's tap on the download icon to download it again to our iPhone. The first time you open the app, there's a short series of splash screens which will walk you through the basic premise of the app. But it's pretty simple to grok, and we're going to walk through this, so I'm going to skip through this for now. The first thing you see once you actually get into the app is a list of lists. Each one of the things here is a sample list that we can use inside of Clear. I'm not going to go through all of these, but I will take a look at the gesture guide because this is a great way to learn how the gestures in Clear actually work.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.